Hello everyone, welcome to my channel PD Vlogs. I am Dr. Prabhakar Dorge. Today in this video we will see the things which we are required for preparation of campus recruitment process. They are making of resume, preparation of aptitude test, preparation of group discussion, preparation for the interviews, that is technical interview and HR interview. So how to prepare all these things by using single app, that we have to see in this video. But I would like to do one request. To understand all these things, please watch this video till last. So the name of this app is Aptitude Test Preparation, that you can easily install from Play Store. I have already installed in my mobile, so no need to install again. Now I will directly click on the icon of Aptitude Test Preparation app. So here you can see lots of options are there: interview, aptitude, puzzles, resume, group discussion, tips, relaxing music, my favorite, job search, notification, need help, and all these things. So first of all, if you go to the interview, here HR related questions are given, then software development related questions are given. Now in software development, lots of programming languages are there. So suppose if you want to choose any programming language, here you can choose. Let us see Python. So questions are given here and its answer is also given. So it is a good app for interview questions. So for engineering interview also, branch related questions, question answers are given. Let us say I will go to electronics section. So here questions are given, and if you click on that particular question, its answer is also given. So for MBA entrance also interview questions are given, MBA placement also questions are given. Here company wise also question answers are given for the interview. Now come back. If you go to aptitude section, different topics are given. On that, in that topic, the questions related to that topics are given. Now let us go to any topic, for example time and work. So question is given here, 4 options are given here. You have to read that question. Now after reading this question, you require one blank page to solve this. So here bottom side, this type of space is given to write down something. You can write your solution here, you can find out the answer. Once you find out the answer, you just click on the answer. Now this is the correct answer, that's why it is ticked. If I click on this one, it is wrong. Now suppose if you don't know the answer, you have choose the wrong answer. Now you must know what is the correct answer. So you just go over here. So the solution of is given of that answer. This is the best way to solve any MCQ on aptitude test. So various topics are given here for aptitude test. You can solve lots of problems over here. Projects are also given, topics are given. Inside that topic, different projects are given. Then resume, how to make the resume, that is also given. Now for example here, if you are a fresher, if you click on the fresher, so the template for the fresher, that how to make the resume for fresher student, the template is given and it can be downloaded when you click on this fresher. Similarly, if you are an experienced person, if you want the template for the experienced person, you can click on the experience, you will get the resume for the experienced candidate. So you can download here the sample of this resume. Now some group discussion topics are also given. Current topics are given: management related, economics related, politics, social, creative, education related. If you go to the education, so different topics are given here. If you click on any topic, so some points related to that topic are also given. When you come back, meanwhile some ads are also coming from that app, so we can't do anything for that. So various group discussion topics are given, that's a good thing. Again, after group discussion, you can search here job also. Just write down the designation or company name or skill or location. You can search here job. It is given by the Indeed.com. So on this single app, you can study to build your own resume. You can prepare for the interview. You can prepare for the aptitude test. You can prepare for the group discussion. You can prepare for the both types of interview, technical interview as well as HR interview. And the specialty of this app is it is not only for the engineering student, it is also for the MBA students. It is also for the commerce students also, or any other graduation or post graduation students which is eligible for the campus placement. So by using this single app, you can get the knowledge of this full points and you can get properly prepared for the campus placement drive. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe my channel, and to get notification about the new videos, please click on bell icon.